we have another one. Sorry, it's a little windy out here. I'm at Scott's house and he went and picked up the Element for me, which was awesome because I've been super busy. But yes, this is our new project. It's got a little bit of pitch. I'm not 100% sure. I think it's nothing wrong with the apron. It's just the fender and everything is pushed back, which damaged the door. I'm hoping if I can pull this out or some kind of way of straightening that out. I'm pretty sure I can. It's probably gonna take a while, but I probably can. It needs a new window, what is it called? Wheel well liner. The tire actually looks really good, but it's flat. And I believe the strut or something is damaged. Let me see if I can take you guys under here and see. I don't know. I mean, it looks like it. Looks like it's bent, but I'm not 100% sure. Everything else looks okay. The A-arm looks okay. No, it kind of looks like. No, it looks fine. I'm not 100% sure. I need to jack it up and get this wheel off. I do know that the headlight is shot. Dude over here, here he is. So we're gonna try to fix it, but yeah, I don't know. All right, so we just moved it over here so we can see if we could try to get it started. Sorry about that. Let's see, I already popped. And let's see here. Get this in my hand. All right, there's the engine, a little dusty. I did check oil already. I think the power steering pump is probably gone because it has no fluid in it and the top is gone. So it might make some noise. Let's check for water real quick. Let's see if we got water. Get off me, cat. Get off me. Get off me, cat. Why there's no water? I wonder if the radiator damaged because it did get hit in the front right here. Get. And it may have damaged. Oh yeah, because there's some leaking right there. Okay, so I need a new radiator. I think I still have my old one at home. I'm gonna try to jump that battery real quick and see if we can get it started. Well, at least the video's still running. Back, cat. Oh, see, I like this. It's got long leads on it. All right, I don't want it to fall. I'll leave it right there. Oh, sounds like some life. All right, let's see if the Joker start. When I purchased it, it was running dry. There we go. Wow, it started right up. All right, let's go take the charger off. Yeah, you can hear that. Hard steering. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna let it run for long, but it is running. And it sounds good. May not have to rebuild the engine. Yeah, that battery shot. I tried to start it again. It was like, nope. I'm gonna take it out. Take the battery out of it. All right, Scott is out there power washing the engine. I'm just coming in here to grab some cleaner so we can put a little degreaser on there to get some of the stuff out. And then we're gonna take another look at it real quick. the tire was flat, and luckily it filled back up, so that's awesome. So you can see the tire filled back up. Get a little cleaner, see what happened. Let's see any bubbles. No bubbles.
Turn on the soap, dude. It's the same shit.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, shit.
It's in a bucket of purple
My,
power right now.
oh, shit. My bad. I didn't know. I'm special. I'm just gonna spray this down real quick. I was trying to see if I seen bubbles when I was spraying it. Oh! All right, so we got it all cleaned up. I gotta close the door here. It's just a thin piece of metal right here, so I was able to just grab it and pull it out. Now, as in let me just show you real quick so you can see how bad it is. So that's the driver's side, and then that's the passenger side, straight. Back to the driver's side. She kicked out, and we come to find out that the strut is twisted, and it where it connects right here, it's only that much gap, and on the other side I think it's like 5 or 6 inches, so it pulled it back quite a bit, but I'm not 100% sure until we remove this tire and everything. Now, as far as the inside, I really don't have to do anything but super clean it. Other than that, it's perfectly fine. Oh, and fix the door. And the normal Honda Element seat damage, I'm gonna try to see if somebody can just, I'm gonna pull the cover off, see if somebody can just fix that. I know it can be. I'm not gonna do this, like pull the seats out or anything, replace them. I'm just gonna fix that part and just clean the inside. Maybe do something with the steering wheel, because it's like all of them is loose. Like this padding comes loose. I'm trying to find another steering wheel, but I'm not 100% sure on that. And that's the cat, one of the other ones. Now in the inside, like I said, it was super clean. The only thing that was in the inside was cleaning supplies, just about in that little trash can. So that's pretty much it there. What I did notice, it doesn't have the rear sunroof like mine's has. Even though it says it's an EX, mine's is an EX, but it's a different, I guess it's a different EX. But it's super clean inside, and it smells really nice. We found fingernails, we found everything that relates to, I think this probably was a lady's car. General Skateboard Apparel, North Texas. So I mean, something sparkly there. Shine, time to shine. So I think this was a lady's car, because we found fingernails also. Fingernail, like, I don't know what you call them, like they pop the fingernails off. I don't know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It runs absolutely great. I mean, it runs very, very good. I think it only has 100 and let's see, what was it? I was trying to see if I see the mileage. It only had 100 and, I think 108 or 188, something like that. And this doesn't say anything about the mileage. but they salvaged it just because of this little area here. And they put on there that it had undercarriage damage. Now, yes, it does a little bit. Like, the protection bar for the gas tank is bent, which is not a big problem. That's a cat. He's gonna keep getting in the way. Move, cat. You just want to get rubbed, pet it. But that it's really what I was thinking of undercarriage damage is that the lower subframe was going to be damaged, and it's not. It's perfectly fine. So the parts already ordered was new struts for it all around. I'm just going to replace all of them because they're notorious for going out or just being bad. I'm wondering about the bushings and everything on it. I'm hoping that they'll be all right. Now, I do have a set of tie rod ends, brand new. I have tie rod ends. I have lower ball joints, and I might go pick up some more parts off of Facebook Marketplace. Now, as far as the headlights, I'm just gonna pull the headlights off of my element and just put them on here, just so I could get it going. My element is just gonna, there's nothing wrong with it, but I would buy new headlights for it instead of buying new headlights for this. Yeah, I'd rather do that. I'm not 100% sure, but I'd rather do that. All the plastic wise, let me show you guys. All this stuff is it's repairable. This upper bracket may be tweaked. I know this is all broken here. So, but that's the headlight, so we're not gonna really worry about that because most of the parts of the headlight is down there. And that's pretty much it. And you can see where that is all bent up. That's gonna be very easy to fix. So, I gotta say that I got extremely lucky this because, you know, a lot of you guys that buy cars from Copart, you don't know what you're gonna get unless you go down there. You kind of get an idea. I did not go down there. I didn't even go pick the car up. Scott went down there and picked the car up. We did both look at the car online, trying to assess what was damaged. But we both thought, hey, I think it's gonna be good. So once he got it, he called me immediately. He was like, yeah, dude, it's very minor. This damage here is very minor. I don't know why they salvage titled this car, totaled it. I have no idea why would they do that, because the car is still worth, I think it's worth more than what that damage is, like double that amount. But you know how, you know, body shops and stuff, they probably just said, oh yeah, it's gonna be like $6,000 to fix everything. Yeah, no. So I don't want to keep you guys. Stay tuned for the build, a rebuild of this element. I'm not keeping it whatsoever. Once it's all done, this car will be back on the street and sold to somebody. Whoever it is, I don't know at the moment, because most likely I'll probably have a lot of people say, oh yeah, I want it, but only person that comes there and say, hey, here's the money, it's yours. Okay, other than that, please comment, like, subscribe. Until then, I will see you guys later.